There's no night road. What's he going all the way up there for now? Huh?
Why still not out there?
Me neither. Nothing. See? Ooh. Shovel out the front wheels. No, he ain't out.
He's going backwards.
He ain't going nowhere. Going backwards ain't gonna do nothing because I'm telling you, it's wedged in the front wheels. See? They gotta get salt under the tires too. I'm sure that guy's got salt. Yeah, this out there is small. This salt guy should be here too.
Wouldn't it seem like he's doing the other side where he seems to be more stuff?
You would think. These guys are stupid and they have no idea what they're doing. Now let's see what this guy's gonna do. He's gonna try and pull the snow back.
Bobby's behind you.
Yeah, he is. The idiot kept gunning in reverse and knocked himself up on the curb, and this guy almost hit the light post just now. Gotta love South River. Cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold.
He got it.
Nah, he don't. Now look, the front's stuck. Because his plow's down.
Lift the plow up, you idiot. Lift the plow. Tell him to, you know.
Look, he's in the...
But he's dragging the plow down.
Oh. He's going right in Joe's driveway.
Lift the frickin' plow up.
Yeah, this guy's mentally ill. Oh.
Yeah. Now you're stuck on the drain, you ass. Lift the plow.
Man. Oh my god, this is so great.
Lift the plow up. He's got the plow stuck on the curb.
Stop yelling. He's sitting right there.
Did you lift the plow?
Yeah.
Duh.
A little bit. This guy's fancy. Gotta love South River Township.
What's he going up for? Go back.
Look at how much snow is under that back rear tire. It's completely covered. How do you get a truck that size stuck?
Keep going, keep going.
He's thinking himself. You learn this from wheeling. The more you rev it, the more you get stuck.
Go, back. Go. Oh, yeah.
Watch how his front's gonna get stuck.
Yeah!
Goddamn time.
Shut up.
Look at him spinning out still. The size of that dump truck alone shouldn't allow them to get stuck.
Dirt in the back, maybe put my wheat in the back.
Even though the size of that truck. Now he's stuck again. He's stuck again. Oh my god. There you go.
I already made a mess.
There you go, buddy. Now clean up your mess.
He probably didn't know how.